Hey Project Fam, just in case you missed my videos, here's my quick intro to my Porsche project. Number one, what's included? I opened up the car, figured out what was inside. Number two, she runs. I finally got it started. It did involve me putting in a battery. And number three, I got lucky. Well, that was the last video. I'm not going to tell you about that because I want you to go back and watch it if you didn't see it. Today, I am going to get the Porsche clean. Clean, clean, clean. You get a foam cannon. You get a foam cannon. That was a fun video. So this is my first wash. I'm not even using the brush today. I have to be careful because some of the paint where the bumper was scuffed is chipping, and you know how I am. I'm very particular about washing and cross-contamination. So as I get to the front of the car, I have to be a little careful about what I do. This is how I get to know my car. Wash. I get to wash every inch of the car. I look for every scratch. I look for everything. And as I'm washing the car, you know what? It's in a pretty decent condition. And there I go. I just contaminated that rag. Time for a new one. Sorry about that. So what I typically do is I'll wash that rag and I'll use it to like mop the floor or do things in the garage. No longer will it touch my car paint. There we go. Let me move to the other side. Not make that mistake again. Paint's in very good condition. I can't wait to buff it out. Are we upside down? No, we're not. Again, it's a shame the side mirrors are not there, but by the time you watch this video, rest assured the side mirrors have been temporarily put on the car. It looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. They're actually black, and I will have to sand them, prime them, and paint them the color of the car, but they're on. Simple application, 3 bolts. And you see that black bumper on both sides right there, that black bumper. I'm thinking about painting those the color of the car since I'm going to do some massive sanding and painting. I love the dual exhaust outlet. Car has nice hips. It's a wide body. In my next video, I will put the spoiler down. I actually have to read the book because I couldn't find it. And look at the size of those rear deep dish. I'm a fan of black rims, but you know what? This chrome is doing it. It looks really good. I might even have to give it a nice chrome polish. The those brakes are amazing. Those brakes are amazing. There I am cleaning the exhaust tips. So that is one of like the 7 options on the car, those exhaust tips. So if you have a trained ear, you will realize that I ran out of gas. I ran out of gas, but I think I was almost finished anyway. And now it's the fun part. What I have in my left hand is just a little spray and wax, nothing crazy. Little spray and wax. It makes it a little easier to dry, gives it a nice coating. Check out the boots. Am I upside down? I wonder if I should flip this right side up. Nah, we'll leave it like this. As a matter of fact, I wonder what that looks like. Let's try that. Hold on. I don't know. This might be better. This might be better. Yes, I flipped it 180 degrees. I have my Captain Kirk boots, aka black Timberlands that I wear in the yard and cleaning up the garage and all the other goodies. Oh, by the way, did I say the next video? Well, maybe next 2 videos will be cleaning up the garage. My next video, I'm just going to bring the car inside the garage and give it a good look, give it a once over, and put together a plan of what I need to purchase and what I need to do. Right now, it's all about the clean. I was careful not to put too much pressure on the convertible roof. It is in good shape, but it could obviously be in better shape. I don't know if that's the original roof. It may be the original roof. You know, the garage was, the car was garage kept. So that'll help the sun from beating up the roof. But I didn't want to tear it up with the pressure washer. Also, I had holes in the car. I have holes in the door. I have holes in the hood. I didn't want to spray too much water inside the car. So I was very careful. All in all, so far so good. I think the only money I spent on the car since it's been there has been for the battery. Other than that, I really haven't made any other purchases. But I'm going to get things slowly but surely. Not going to try and rush. The plan is to have this car on the road by summertime, really when I can put the roof down and have it all painted. Either I'll paint it inside the garage or get someone to do it professionally. I don't know yet, but yeah, it is coming along. So all right, everyone, this is kind of the end of my car washing video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for a lot of great videos to come regarding this Porsche rebuild.